we're not your typical detail shop. When it comes to cleaning, correcting, and protecting your vehicle, we are the professionals. We are Chicago Auto Pros. It's time for paint correction. It's day number 4 on our signature $10,000 detail. Tadas and Edgar are going to start with the cutting process on this vehicle. This process is going to remove all the heavy defects like the bigger swirls and scratches. While they get started on the paint correction, let's go over to the film department where we're testing out a new product. All right, today we got a new product that we're gonna test out. It's called Exo Shield. It is an exterior window film meant to prevent rock chips on your front windshield. We just got the product in, so we're gonna test it out on Greg's M5. We're gonna put it on a few of our cars so we can have it and ride around with it, make sure everything works well and the way it's supposed to, the way the company says it's supposed to. So we're gonna start. We're gonna do it on Greg's M5 here, and we'll see how it works. So ideally, you'd want to do this on a new windshield. This already has a bunch of rock chips and imperfections on it, and you're probably going to see a little bit through the film. But we're just doing this for testing purposes. We want to make sure that we're able to shrink it and it looks good on the window. This is going to stay on Greg's car so we can keep an eye on it, make sure it's not doing anything that we don't want it to do. Exo Shield is a 4mm thick exterior film that's going to act like a barrier for your windshield against rock chips. We will do a separate feature video on this product after we have a few months of testing on our own vehicles. Afternoon update at Chicago Auto Pros. We just got done eating lunch. I had Portillo's. I love Portillo's. They're working hard on the Mini Cooper. Customer's gonna be here at 4 o'clock, so they're doing the interior. I think they're just doing a mini detail. Will, is that one just a signature exterior, or are they doing the inside too? Okay, they're just doing a mini detail on the inside, and that's when it'll be ready to go.
My name's Frank. I own the black Mini Cooper. It's a nice little car, fun to drive, stick shift. I also have a 911 Porsche, and I brought it here last year, and they did a fabulous job. So this is really my wife's car, and I'm surprising her for Christmas. I ordered the stripes, and I just wasn't sure because, you know, I've seen pictures of it. There's all kinds of stripes you can get on these. I didn't want the standard stripes out of the factory where you have 2 of them in the front. I saw photos of this one. It was pretty unique because they went down the middle of the entire car, and I like the spacing between all of them. And kind of looks like the car is moving, standing still. So it looks really good. She doesn't have any idea. She always complains that her Mini Cooper was pretty plain, didn't have stripes. That I and her daughters talked her into getting this black plain car. So every time she sees a Mini Cooper, she wishes she had stripes on it. So this will be a surprise for Christmas. Yeah, they're rally stripes. It looks fantastic. She's gonna love it. It's gonna blow her away.
Mario just finished up the correction on the Tesla Model 3. We're gonna pull that one into the clean room, and he's gonna start applying the Modesta BC04. Tadas is working hard on the BMW Z8. Paint is pretty hard. And so we'll get the compounding done today, and then we'll get to polishing, and we'll do the coating tomorrow. This vehicle had silver paint. Silver paint does a very good job at hiding scratches and swirls, unlike a dark car where they just really stand out a lot more. But just because you can't see them as well doesn't mean that they're not there. See how badly this light is scratched. You don't need a microscope to see that, but it's kind of cool to see it when we put it on there. So what I want to do is I want to do a 50-50. I want to tape half of this off and I want to correct it and see the difference. We tried out a new film, Exo Shield. We got it done finally on the 4th try. We're gonna try another car. My car's right behind. We're gonna give that a bath real quick, and then we're gonna put Exo Shield on my windshield too to test it out. Excited to see how that goes. See how it's gonna look with this big old rock chip right there. That's what we're trying to prevent. Oh, we still got to do the afters of the Volvo. Jose's gonna get you those afters. We'll do it right after this.
Everybody relax. Take it easy. Y ahí está.
On the next episode,